Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're not in downtown Cato Paphos, we're in the Tomb of the Kings area. We are to the rear of the luxury five-star, not five-store, I'm confusing my English, five-star luxury Elysium Hotel, and we're witnessing a wedding, and on top of all that, we have Miss Oching Gracilia LaBeouf.
Hello, everybody. Mr. Paul, come closer because the car is gonna overtake you. Over splash you. Over.
There we are. It is. It's a golf cart speeding.
Well, hello everybody. How nice to see you again. Yes, we are witnesses of the luxury wedding. That's the place where the bride and groom asked by the priest, "Are you ready to marry this woman or that man?" The word no, it's awful in that moment. Or when the bride is a woman or the man.
Right, the woman.
Yes, the bride is running away from the wedding. I have seen it.
Right, come on. We've got places to go and places to see.
I told people hello everybody.
Not yet.
Hello everybody. How nice to see you again.
Again. Right, come on, LaBeouf. We're going to go for a walk on the coastal pathway, which is the hotel coastal pathway, which goes all the way from downtown Cato Paphos, all the way through to almost Paya. And we are witnessing a fantastic wedding. I'm losing.
Photo shooting, Mr. Paul.
I'm losing my English
You
completely.
don't talk. I will.
You have completely
I will
confused me.
comment.
You've stolen it. There are the bride and groom. They're having their photographs taken. So it's a very, very special day for them, and I hope that they remember it for the rest of their life, and I hope that they take with them these spectacular views that I'm going to show you now as the sun is setting across the Mediterranean Sea, and it truly is a view to die for. If you stick with me for a few seconds, I'm going to get into position and I'm going to show you a view to die for. Wow, absolutely spectacular. There's a LaBeouf. She's having a good look at the wedding. What have you got to say, LaBeouf?
The wedding is one of the important days in the life of everybody, especially if it's once and forever.
Once and forever. That's everyone's dream, to get married once and to live happily for the rest of their life. And we wish that to that couple, and we hope to see them back on the sunny shores of Paphos in Cyprus again very, very soon. I'm going to pan round and show you the beauty of this area to the rear of the Elysium Hotel, because it is a spectacular area. Rock formations, there is a platform where you can go swimming and jump off and dive, there's umbrellas, and above all that there's the blue, blue tranquil sea called the Mediterranean Ocean, and the sun is setting, there's a shipwreck and a little speedboat. Wow, look at that.
There's a people jumping from that bridge.
There is, that's a platform where they can jump
Ooh.
and dive. There we go. Absolutely spectacular. So this is to the rear of the Elysium five-star luxury hotel and resort. Miss Oching Gracilia LaBeouf, what have you got to say?
Well, this hotel is in a castle way.
It's been built in a retro style, yeah.
Retro style. Yeah. And inside, my God, it's amazing. We should film it once.
Well, if anyone's going to book themselves in there for a weekend, a week, a fortnight, or the rest of their life, let us know and we will do a hit and run, because as I've told you, I do actually know the boss. Not the manager, the boss. The man who owns it. It's quite an expensive hotel. It's a very expensive hotel. He's a man who can afford to buy a brand new BMW X6 like that and think nothing of it when he backs it into a pillar. Anyway, there is the view, and it is a beautiful view. Let me show you. Look at that. Now that certainly is a view to die for. Wysocin Gracivula Booth.
Have you seen how nice, beautiful trees, little trees here? And I remember one of our dear subscribers.
Mr. Ian, he told us what that was.
It's bottle brush
tree.
Sorry, bottle brush
tree.
tree.
Yes, see? Sometimes, Mr. Ian, when you help us, with the help of Google, things do stick in our stupid little brains. So what's it called again?
Bottle brush tree.
Bottle brush tree. And it truly is a beautiful plant, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I've never seen it before, and I really, really do like it. So this is the Elysium. There we go. So obviously this is a public pathway that takes you through the grounds of the Elysium Hotel. So anyone can come through here. Let's just pan round and show you a little bit of it. It truly is luxury. Absolutely spectacular hotel.
It reminds me 16th century.
It's got that classical feel to it. And the grand ballroom, well, that's something very, very special. So like I say, if you have booked yourself in here, let us know in the comments and we'll do a hit and run and we will show you the spectacality of that hotel. And it's a hotel, well, it's worth dying for, that's for sure. Let's have a look at the pinnacle point here. So there's some nice plant pots that show you the pinnacle point of the view. And there it is, look at that. Absolutely a view to die for, without question. Let's go out onto the raised platform, LaBooth. LaBooth is having a wash of her hands. Right, come on, LaBooth. Let's go and have a quick look down here and see the viewing platform, and then we'll say a very, very goodbye, and we'll show you a view that truly is to die for. It's spectacular. Now, if you're looking for somewhere to go on your holiday, you cannot find anywhere better than Paphos. We understand there's competition, but Paphos has something special. It's tranquil, it's calm, and it's a wonderful place. The people are wonderfully friendly, and it's the only place in the world where you can come and meet Wysocin Gracivula Booth. That's her.
My hands are clean.
Yes. So we're going to show you the beauty of this bay, walk you out onto the platform, and maybe LaBooth will jump in. Who knows? She's monkeying around already. That sea is beautifully clean, LaBooth.
The sea
Wow,
is beautiful.
look at it. Oh, LaBooth's off, that's it. This could be interesting. One of these days. Are you coming back up, LaBooth?
No.
Oh. This is the rock climbing LaBooth.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again.
Right, come on, LaBooth, get yourself back up. We're going to walk out to the edge of the platform and say a very, very good goodbye.
Hey, hello.
Come,
No,
one of these days.
I know how.
It was worth it just for the rear end view. Anyway, let's get out here and have a look at the spectacality and the tranquility of the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. We've got fishermen, we've got selfie takers, but above all that, you've got a view that is truly to die for, and it's absolutely spectacular. Take a look at this. Look at that.
She's quiet today.
Very, very calm indeed. Very, very beautiful. Super stuff. So, if you're coming down to Paphos, make sure you come to this spectacular spot. It's to the rear of the Elysium Hotel. If perhaps you can't afford to stay there or you don't wish to stay there, you are still able to come to this spot. It is tranquil, it is calm, and it's truly, truly beautiful. Wysocin Gracivula Booth.
The water is so clean. You can see every single stone under it. And I could even see the small fishes. And the hotel and the whole area is wonderful. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for watching. And we love you to bits. Should I jump?
all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for some more of our madness. Receive your LaBouffe is off again. You cannot take her anywhere. Thanks for watching.